When the exterior of your home starts looking tired or you spot a leak, it can be hard to know where to start with siding, soffit, fascia, and gutter replacement in Macclenny, Florida. Is it time for new siding and gutters, or just a little targeted fascia and soffit repair? North Florida sun, rain, and humidity can age an exterior if it's not properly protected. Your home's siding, soffits, fascia boards, and gutters all work together as one weather defense system. If even one part fails, you can end up with hidden water damage, mold, or pest problems before you know it. Before you can plan a smart repair or upgrade, you need to know what you're dealing with. Some issues are just cosmetic, but others point to serious damage behind the scenes. Here are the most important signs of gutter damage and exterior wear our inspectors look for. Gutters pulling away, overflowing during downpours, rust or peeling seams, dark streaks on siding, soft fascia, cracked siding panels, and soffit vents blocked or chewed by pests. Not every problem calls for a full tear-off. Sometimes targeted soffit repair services or fascia board replacement will restore your system and stop leaks in their tracks. If you see widespread peeling, spongy trim, or repeated leaks, a coordinated siding, soffit, fascia, and gutter upgrade is usually more cost-effective than chasing repairs. Once you reach out, we keep the process straightforward with a detailed assessment, clear findings, and a written scope of work. If you're worried about the siding, soffits, fascia, or gutters on your Baker County, Florida home, contact Universal Roof and Contracting for a free inspection.